Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Now today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Hyundai Tucson. This is the Sport Edition. It comes very well specified from the factory. You've got lots of gadgets inside, lots of nice styling cues to the exterior as well. So just looking around the car, it's finished in this lovely gloss white paintwork. Now the paintwork itself is in lovely order throughout. The bodywork's in nice order. You can tell all the panels are nice and straight. This vehicle, you can tell, has truly been cherished by the previous owners. So looking around it, we've got our front parking sensors, we've got LED daytime running lights, then as well we've got the rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. We've got our privacy glass to the rear, we've got roof bars, and a nice addition on this car, we're riding on these lovely 19-inch diamond turned alloy wheels. So you've got the black detailing within the centres, diamond turned outer edge, riding on nice tyres. We've got mud flaps all around as well. Then stepping through to the interior, inside it's exactly the same as the exterior. It's in fantastic order. So the seats themselves are lovely part perforated leather just to allow the seats to breathe. Obviously where you tend to pick up most of your wear on the bolsters, they're in absolutely fantastic order. Interior doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in. No signs of any sort of rips, tears, discoloration or stains. These are fully electric heated front seats. The nice feature on this, as I mentioned, specification is fantastic. We've got heated rear seats as well, so your rear passengers will definitely appreciate that. You've got ISOFIX in the bottom for your child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortably seat 3 adults in the back of here. Folding this down, you'll find a lovely central armrest with 2 cup holders. You've also got rear vents for the climate control, so rear passengers get the full benefit of the air conditioning. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been completely kicked and scratched to death, they're in nice order. Then stepping through to the cabin, inside, looking through to the door card, we've got park folding mirrors, obviously fully electric mirrors. We've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, and then you've got your central locking as well. A full ebony black leather upholstered steering wheel, that's in nice order. So again, just going through to condition, no signs of any sort of nicks from rings, no signs of rubbing away from sort of hard use. And then on the steering wheel itself, you can control most things. So we've got our Bluetooth phone on there, we've got our volume controls, media controls, we've got our onboard computer controls there as well. Clicking on, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter. We've got automatic wipers, automatic lights, so you don't really need to worry about those. We've got our lane deviation assist as well as our traction control. Now, this is a nice low mileage example, so just going through to mileage. As we're doing the video today, this vehicle's only covered 36,350 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And then coming through to the center display, to the exterior, we get a lot of grey detailing, and that matches it up in the interior. So we've got satellite navigation on there, we've got our multimedia, which is saying device is not connected at the moment. We've got a full DAB radio, so that's basically all of your extended channels. So you've got all media channels there. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got our heated front seats, aux USB, 2 power outlets, 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is an absolute delight to drive, and if you're looking to go onto the motorway, they're fantastic. You just stick it into 6th and you're cruising. We've got our normal and sport modes for the driving modes. We've got our hill descent, automatic stop start, and the on and off button for our parking sensors. Central cup holders, nice central armrest with quite a bit of storage within there. If you go through the photographs, you'll notice I've pictured the service history on the car, so we've got the service book in there. We've also got the locking wheel nut for the vehicle. The car is obviously supplied with both keys, but a nice car all round, and if I was in the market for a Tucson, this is the one that I'd be buying. So, if you'd like anything further on this car, if you'd like a personalised video, if you'd like more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Now, at the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. I always recommend as well, if you're travelling the distance, have a read of our reviews, just to give you peace of mind. We're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews, which are all made from verified purchases. If you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who have travelled the distance, who've collected their vehicles. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and also the level of stock that we carry here at Alpha Motors. So, again, thank you very much for watching. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.